I am technically a fourth generation welder. So my great grandparent did it, my grandpa did it, and my dad. They were pipe fitters and stuff. So first I wanted to do it just to kind of like go on with what they were doing, and I wanted to be a welder as well. And then later I learned about mechanical engineering and decided that mechanical engineering is what I wanted to be. Just knowing the basics of welding would help me a lot with mechanical engineering, and while it's not like a necessity, it will definitely help me a lot in my career path. I love getting just to learn like hands-on stuff and like being able to do stuff not like a normal classroom where it's just pencil and paper. And so I like to do the projects, and I kind of get to have a little bit of creative liberty also with what I'm doing. I think it's a wonderful experience. It teaches you a lot about work ethic, and it teaches you not only just welding and blueprint reading, but it also teaches you just how to work and have like a great environment with other people.